I'm gonna teach you how to make Fortnite banner. So
Yo, what's up guys, my name is GreenReaper, and today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make Fortnite banner. So before we start this video, make sure to subscribe and also don't forget to like this video to show your support. And let's get started. So first of all, you have to make a text. So text, you need pixellab and some custom font. It's up to you if you want just a simple text, but I just want it to be cool because this is on client. Flying for the win. Yeah, let us make his banner and let us do a tutorial on it. So on this video I'm gonna use font called, sorry if I'm sneezing that bad. Right, let me just choose one. American Captain. No, I cannot use that thing yet. I'm gonna just use this thing, flame. Yeah, let us just use that thing. So flame, let us just make the text bigger. Flame for the win, I guess. Flame. Click this double thing and click transparent and click this to save as message. Save the gallery. After that, this text will be saved in the gallery in the album of called Pixellab. FDWM, I guess. FDWM. Save as message, save as PNG, I guess. Now let us create that thing. Let us recreate that in Photoshop. Now let's go to Photoshop. Yeah, download this Photoshop on the APK Pure. I don't know if I can link it down it below. I'm too busy right now, so actually you save it on. Actually, it just go saves on Pixellab, and click the text that you just used or edited on it, and select pixels and click purple. Click that thing and click purple. Let's make it purple text. No, not really, but let's just make it let's just put a gradient on it, and we create that color into duplicate that and change that into violet and click this overlay. Sorry if I'm too fast right now because I wanna be like, now merge that thing. Now let's create another layer to make it 3D. Sorry if I'm sneezing, I do have a sick. So all you have to do is just adjust a bit. Oops, my mistake. Or you could just put it downwards. And let us change the color as well into a darker color. Just like that. And after you do that, let us just duplicate it to make it more 3D'er. Oops, kinda make it messy. And that's okay, that's enough. And after that, just merge it again. Oops, I just clicked delete. Merge down. Once you did that, now click this plus button and click empty layer. After that, click fill and stroke and change the color to black or any color you want, and click on the first layer and select pixels, and also click the second layer. And now this time click this pencil and click clear. After that, click FX. Now before we click FX and glow, make sure you save it because you don't want to waste your time. Like, it's just a, now after you click FX, just click this layer thingy and click on the blend mode, select that normal thing and click overlay. After that, click FX and click glow. So you don't want it to be red, then let us just make it color brownish color. That's okay. After that, you finish doing that and you finish making glowing of it to make it more cooler. Click extract. After that, click merge down. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to make it brighter. And like merge down. Now we're done making our text. Click save, and of course click save to gallery. Now now we're gonna make a banner, a Fortnite banner for us. Now click this image plus. I don't use the plus button in the thing. Now I click download and YouTube banner. Now after that, so we're here. Now we need a background, a Fortnite background, of course. Why not? Now where is the folder called Fortnite? We have to find that. Okay, I found it already. So here's the main thing. Give me a sec. Just adjust this thing. Yeah, just that thing to make it cooler. Now we're gonna cut this thing, blah blah blah, whatever you call it. So let us just cut that thing. Wait, we have to do that as well. Now I'm gonna cut that and click this pencil and click clear. Now you're done. Now let us make the background first. Click photo layer once again. So you must find a background for you. It depends on you if you want. You can download it on Google Play Store. Search something like that. You can search if you want to. Now we might change these things. I'm gonna just cut it like this and select clear. Okay, now we're done. Obviously we have to put the text, but first you just have to, what do we call it again? I just forgot. You just have to change the color by clicking FX, but first let us save this background. And once you've done that, click tint. Let us just open this pointer, tint, and of course the color violet. Oh, I just forgot, I'm so dumb. Empty layer. Empty layer and overlay. That's how I make it. That's how we do it, my boys. Now click photo. Now where's the text that you just added? Now add the text that you just made. Okay, now let us just save that and let's. So the client of that banner wants it to be the Raven skin. So now go back, download the eraser or background eraser, and that's the previous one. Now all you have to do is just blah 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 blah. I cannot speak anymore. Now a background, of course. This one, I would like to do the 3D one. Boom. What the? So we have to clear all of this. We have to clear it. Wipe. Okay, and save. Click PNG save. Now let's go back to Photoshop and the banner or the background that we use. Now click show pointer because I used to use pointer. Now background eraser, and also the background that we use. Why not? So we just I'ma add some effects so we can make it more cooler. by wait, let me think first. I just forgot to put a drop shadow on the text, so put a drop shadow to make it more cooler. Okay, now after that we just have to do some effects. I have a pack. It's not my pack, but wait. Nope, that's for MCPE. Where is it? I forgot. Where is it? Pack cookie. Okay, pack GFX. Now we have this, which is really helpful. I'm gonna just use one. Now I'll use this thing to make a cool FX. Oh my god, I'm so good. Nope. Oops. Lighten. Wait. Lighten. Nope. Liner. Nope. Okay. Okay. I just bought something. Oh, never mind. That's a tree. So let us just make it normal. And we can just use this as a background. And we just have to put something, which is the thunder. So it's up to you if you guys would like to put a thunder if you want, but I do want to put a thunder. Lightning, thunder. Wait, what's this? Off. Nope, wait, we're not going to use that. Wait. Let's find a good thunder. The lightning, the thunder. Wow. Let's find the good thunder. No choice, I'm gonna use this thing. Lightning, thunder. Okay, that's cool. Duplicate. Just a test method, just a test. Now after that, let me just go merge it down. And wait, I just forgot what to do. Okay, effect, nope. We just have to save this because, you know, Photoshop Touch sometimes crash. So we have to be careful sometimes. Because did you guys know that making renders is not easy? Because sometimes it crash. Notent. That's epic. Oh god, that's epic. Frick. Hell yeah. So we add some more background characters or skins of Raven, Fortnite. Oh, not there. The lightning, the thunder. How about if we just put... Nah. So we're done. Let us just put one. And we're done doing that. Now let us just take off the background like that. Blah, blah, blah. Now this is how you see. Now after that, click save. Once you're done saving it, click this and click save to gallery. Now first of all, don't click JPEG because it won't work. Click PNG. After that, we're not done yet. Click the photo blah 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 again and click upload Photoshop or blah blah blah. Now click the background we make or the banner we made. Click photo layer and go back. Go back. Click the YouTube banner. After that, click this and click select pixel into them. Oops, I just forgot. Oh wait, I'm so dumb. Oh yeah, cannot do that. So click the YouTube banner, click select pixel, click this mark your selection tool, and click the minus button. Now remove this, and now click that again, and just carefully adjust, and now remove this. Now go back to the first layer. Now you can delete this second layer if you want to. After that, click layer from selection 2 times, click deselect. Now on the third layer, you can just adjust if you want. Second layer, I'm gonna adjust it too. Now once you're done doing that, click save, because it might crash again. Give it a sec. FX Gaussian blur. It depends on you, but I'm gonna just adjust it a bit into 10.3. Gaussian blur. And you might save that, and save the gallery. We're done. And the final result, I'm gonna show you the final result of it. Wait, give me a second. Final result. What the frick? Here is the final result. Cool. So thank you guys for watching this video, or watching this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and click the notification bell to watch some more tutorial on how to make a Minecraft banner or more. And after that, you can make a banner